Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Henry Louis Vivien Desrosiers was born in which year? A. 1805, B. 1809, C. 1812, D. 1815. The right answer is option B and full answer. Henry Louis Vivien Desrosiers was born in 1809 in Calcutta. Next question. Desrosiers is most closely associated with which educational institution? A. Fort William College, B. Hindu College, Calcutta, C. Presidency College, Madras, D. Serampore College. The right answer is option B and full answer. Desrosiers taught at Hindu College, Calcutta, where he influenced a generation of young Bengali intellectuals. Next question. What was the name given to the group of students influenced by Desrosiers? A. Young India, B. Young Bengal, C. Bengal Renaissance Society, D. Brahmo Youth. The right answer is option B and full answer. Desrosiers' students and followers became associated with the Young Bengal movement. Next question. Which organization was founded by Desrosiers in 1828? A. Brahmo Samaj, B. Academic Association, C. Asiatic Society, D. Hindu Literary Society. The right answer is option B and full answer. Desrosiers founded the Academic Association in 1828 to encourage intellectual discussion and free inquiry among young students. Next question. Which of the following is considered Desrosiers' major narrative poem? A. The Harp of India, B. To India My Native Land, C. The Fakir of Junghiara, D. The Orphan Girl. The right answer is option C and full answer. The Fakir of Junghiara, published in 1828, is Desrosiers' major narrative poem. Next question. Which poem by Desrosiers is particularly associated with early Indian patriotic poetry in English? A. The Enchantress, B. To India My Native Land, C. The Golden Vase, D. The Orphan Girl. The right answer is option B and full answer. To India My Native Land expresses Desrosiers' patriotic longing for India's lost glory and is an important early poem of Indian nationalism in English. Next question. Which publication appeared in 1827? A. The Fakir of Junghiara, B. Poems, C. The Poetical Works of Henry Desrosiers, D. The Harp of India. The right answer is option B and full answer. Desrosiers' collection Poems was published in 1827. Next question. Range the following in chronological order. Poems. The Fakir of Junghiara, Desrosiers' death, The Poetical Works of Henry Louis Vivien Desrosiers. A. 1, 2, 3, 4, B. 2, 1, 3, 4, C. 1, 3, 2, 4, D. 3, 1, 2, 4. The right answer is option A and full answer. Poems was published in 1827, The Fakir of Junghiara in 1828, Desrosiers died in 1831, and a major posthumous collection appeared in 1877. Next question. Which of the following best represents Desrosiers' intellectual philosophy? A. Blind adherence to traditional authority, B. Rational inquiry and free thought, C. Complete rejection of education, D. Revival of medieval scholasticism. The right answer is option B and full answer. Desrosiers encouraged rational inquiry, questioning of established beliefs, intellectual freedom, and independent thought. Next question. Which movement is historically associated with Desrosiers' students? A. Bengal School of Art, B. Young Bengal Movement, C. Progressive Writers Movement, D. Swadeshi Movement. The right answer is option B and full answer. The Young Bengal movement developed around Desrosiers and his intellectually rebellious students at Hindu College. Next question. Which of the following is correctly matched? A. The Harp of India nationalistic poem, B. The Fakir of Junghiara dramatic comedy, C. The Orphan Girl political treatise, D. To India My Native Land epic poem. The right answer is option A and full answer. The Harp of India is a patriotic poem concerned with India's lost poetic and cultural glory. Next question. What does the image of the broken harp in the Harp of India primarily suggest? A. The prosperity of Indian literature, B. The decline and silence of Indian poetic inspiration, C. The victory of British literature, D. The growth of industrialization. The right answer is option B and full answer. The broken harp symbolizes the silencing and decline of India's poetic and cultural voice. Next question. Which of the following was not a major concern of Desrosiers? A. Patriotism, B. Rationalism, C. Intellectual freedom, D. Medieval courtly romance as a social ideal. The right answer is option D and full answer. Desrosiers' major concerns included patriotism, rationalism, free thought, social reform, and intellectual liberation rather than medieval courtly romance. Next question. Derozeo's students at Hindu College were particularly encouraged to A. Accept traditional beliefs without questioning, B. Debate, reason, and challenge established ideas. C. Avoid Western education, D. Study only Sanskrit literature. The right answer is option B and full answer. Derozio encouraged his students to develop independent judgment through debate, rational inquiry, and intellectual freedom. Next question. Which statement about Derozio's literary position is most accurate? A. He belonged entirely to the 20th century Indian English tradition. B. He was one of the earliest significant poets of Indian English literature. C. He was primarily a novelist. D. He wrote only religious poetry. The right answer is option B and full answer. Derozio is regarded as one of the earliest major figures in Indian English poetry. Next question. What is the central concern of To India My Native Land? A. Personal romantic love. B. India's lost glory and patriotic longing. C. Industrial progress. D. European mythology. The right answer is option B and full answer. The poem mourns India's fallen condition and expresses a strong desire to restore the dignity and glory of the motherland. Next question. Derozio died at the remarkably young age of A. 22, B. 25, C. 30, D. 35. The right answer is option B and full answer. Derozio died in 1831 at the age of 22, making his literary achievement particularly remarkable. Next question. Which statement best explains Derozio's importance in the history of Indian English literature? A. He established the tradition of Indian English drama. B. He introduced an early form of Indian English poetry combining romanticism, patriotism, rationalism, and Indian cultural consciousness. C. He was the first Indian English novelist. D. He rejected Western literary influences completely. The right answer is option B and full answer. Derozio occupies a pioneering position because his poetry combines romantic literary influences with Indian themes, patriotic consciousness, rational inquiry, and the spirit of intellectual freedom.